Welcome! In front of me is an ROG Phone 7 from ASUS, and today I will show you how you can capture a screenshot on this phone. So to get started, open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using home screen as an example for this, so it's already open for me. Just make sure that the content that you wish to capture is visible on your screen. From there, simply hold power button and volume down at the same time. You'll have the haptic feedback along with the pop-up with scrollable screenshot, edit, share, and delete. And after a moment, as you can see, it disappears. Once it does so, you can find that screenshot in your gallery application under either photos as the newest thing, or by going into the albums and locating the album called screenshots. And in here, you'll find all the screenshots that you have captured over the time. So there we go. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.